Hey there, folks. We're going to take a look at see how to send email notifications based on a response to a particular person without having to code anything. Let's jump into it. I basically have here a exit ticket. It's a default version thing inside of Google. I'm signed in with my accounts here, and all of this is fine. I'm not super worried about that. What I'm going to do though is this grade level is going to be determine what gets sent where. So if you select grade A, it's going to go to your grade level A person. If you select grade B, your response is going to go to B person. If you select C, it's going to go to the C person. But in order for this to happen, we have some things we need to do. We first need to go up to these three little dots on the top right hand side. From there, we're going to go to Get Add-ons. If you're in an organization like I am right now, you may be directed. So you might want to have to click on this approved for you just to make sure that what you're looking at is there. And then what we're looking at is this email notifications for forms by Digital Inspiration. There is a paid version of this. It is $50 a year. I'm fully disclaiming that. I am not a sponsor, anything like that, but the free one does everything I need to do. So I'm going to click on install. It will go through. It's going to ask me some questions and some permissions. I'll do all of that. Now that we have that done, nothing visually has changed. You can see in responses, nothing's different. We have all of that set. What we're going to do now is go up to the top right-hand side where this little puzzle piece is at and click on Email Notifications for Google Forms. We're going to get a pop-up and we're going to have the ability to buy a license, activate one. We don't need to do any of that. We're just going to go to Open App. We're going to get a pop-up here in a second, and once we have that, there's some things we need to do in order to get this to work. The first thing we're going to do is go over to Create, and we're going to select an email notification. Once we have that open, we're going to have to select our notification name, our sender's name. The email should already be filled out, and you can fill out the rest of this as you like, but for this example, we're not going to do that. We're just going to scroll down to the bottom and click on Continue. Once we're at this window, we can go in and set conditional notifications. So we can send notifications based off the answer submitted. We'll select that, and then we're going to say if the field, where we can go through here and take a look here and say, I don't know, what was one important thing we learned in class today? Email name, but we're going to select grade level is the one that we want. We're going to select the condition. If it equals and it says matches grade A, we're going to say it's going to go to grade a@gmail.com. Then we can add another conditional set, or we can add a condition inside of there. So we can really dial this down if we want, or if grade level is going to any of those, we can do that. I'm not going to worry about that yet. I want to add a different conditional set. So I want to say if grade level is then set to grade B, it's going to go to grade B at whatever we're going to have. And then we'll do one more. We set grade level. We'll set the equals and grade C, and that will go to grade C at whatever you have.com. And you can change out those emails as necessary. Once you're done with that, you can set it kind of a null if it doesn't meet any of those, but this one will have to meet one of those. We'll continue that out. And then you can either create a PDF, so it sends that out automatically. You can set it to Google Drive, whatever you'd like to do. And then you just hit save and continue, and you're set and ready to go. And that's as complicated as this gets. There are a lot more options, a lot more things you can do with it, but you don't need to if you're just trying to get forms sorted out to different people based off the input from that form. I hope that helps, and let me know if there's any questions.